Before cleaning your printer, ensure you have the following supplies: the magnetic cleaning card, cleaning pads, Printhead cleaning swabs, and the cleaning cards. When ready to begin cleaning your printer, start by unplugging it. Open the front cover using the key provided. Remove the print ribbon and HDP transfer film from the printer. If you have a can of compressed air, blow out all visible areas of the printer interior. Please remove any debris that may be inside. If you do not have a can of compressed air, use a cleaning pad from the printer cleaning kit to wipe out all visible areas inside the printer. Be extremely careful not to let any alcohol drip inside the printer. Now, reinstall the printing supplies and close the front cover. When cleaning the printhead, start by disconnecting the power supply and opening the front cover. Remove the print ribbon and HDP transfer film. Grab a printhead cleaning swab from the printer cleaning kit and squeeze it to saturate the tip. Now, firmly wipe back and forth across the surface of the printhead. The printing surface is vertical and faces the left side. Reinsert the cartridges and close the front cover. Open the front cover of the output module. Unlock and open the top cover. The magnetic head is located underneath the flipper table. Start by tilting the flipper so it is up and down. Insert the cleaning card into the flipper table slot at a slight angle. While holding the cleaning card in place with your fingers, hold the forward and backward buttons down as the roller spins across the cleaning card. Turn the cleaning card over and perform this same task. Close the top and front covers. Remove the card, film, and laminate cartridges. Remove the paper backing from both sides of the cleaning card. Insert the cleaning card into the card hopper's in-feed rollers. Guide the cleaning card into the printer if necessary. From the HTP driver, click on the Toolbox button to bring up the Clean Printer tab. Follow the instructions from the Clean Printer tab on the driver. When the cleaning routine is complete, the cleaning card will exit the printer. Reinstall the card, film, and laminate cartridges. The printer has a durable casing that should retain its luster and appearance for many years. Clean it only with a cleaning pad from the printer cleaning kit.